to my house and they chill out on the front door, dude. It's like Alfred Hitchcock, man. I'm telling you. Look at all of the birds. They're like a gazillion birds. Don't go outside. The birds, the birds. It's Alfred Hitchcock. The birds. Don't stay. Watch out for the birds. Pretty neat, ain't it? Bye. See? Oh, little wind blows them almost all away. They get scared. They always come for the worms, I guess. I guess my grass is pretty good. It must be a delicacy. Oh, finally got them. They're all over. Everywhere. So we gotta watch out for the poop. Okay, there we go. That's about it. Pretty neat, ain't it? They're probably in the backyard